So we got our pool stone that's going around the pool on the edge of the pool in today is Crema Maya. And this is what a lot of the Mayan ruins are made out of. And so we bought this. This is to go around the entire edge. This is about 1500 US. Have a nice finish. Instead of concrete around the pool, it's going to be that. And so walk over here with pool. This is the edge of the pool here. In fact, we have a couple laid out. That's what it's going to be like. All the way around the pool, and there's a little palm tree island here in the middle. And today, they also more of the wall. They're almost done here, I think. And so that we showed yesterday how we just did that section, but they did the rest of this today. And then over there, they prepped, we're just doing the top portion, Shikun. The bottom portion is going to be like it is because we're thinking about actually having a mural painted on there. We get a local artist to paint something. We're going to have plants over there as well. Because, once this is all done, we're going to stick in some more plants, not just our fabulous palm trees that we know, but some more, foliage and things in pots on the balcony. Everything as well. And, we started right over here with some plants already. So this is what is our pool is going to look like with that Mayan, Crema Maya stone around the entire thing. We're really looking forward to having that. We spent a little bit extra on getting it instead of just doing concrete. I've stayed at many places that have had concrete pool edges, and it's perfectly fine. But since we're going to the expense of doing such a custom pool, we wanted to okay, let's put in the stone as well. Hey, you got any questions about any of this? Go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notifications because I'm vlogging about doing a Mexican beach home renovation a lot. And you don't want to miss any of those episodes. See you guys next time.